Hi guys, in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can use split for Google Sheets. So to help you split your Google Sheet data. This data could have come from your forms, your Google Forms, or it could be just data that you downloaded for your own purposes, all right? So let me show you first what you can do, and then I'm going to do a quick demo, all right? So first of all, you can split your data by column heading. So if you pick a column heading here, it's going to load up the column headings of your current sheet. All right, so let me just do this column letter first. So there's going to be A, B, C, and then if it's a column heading, it's going to be source, customer name, as well as some other column. All right, and then the other one is row count, so the number of row counts you have. All right, and then in terms of the output, you can choose to have your heading, your output heading, and then your output type, you can either use a formula or the actual data. All right, and then finally the output file, it can be, you can split your data into the same spreadsheet, or you can split your data into a new spreadsheet, or the last one, which is I think the most powerful, is that you can split your data into each set in a new spreadsheet for each set. So a new spreadsheet for each set. All right. So let's try one and then see how it goes. All right. So first of all, we'll do a column heading, and then I want to split the data by the source. So these are actually some of our other Google add-ons. All right, and then just dummy data for customer name, and then some other column here. So I'm gonna pick source, and then I'm gonna output the heading, and then I'm gonna output, let's just do formula first, and then we're gonna output it to the current spreadsheet. All right, so let's try it. All right, so do we have it? That's done. So when I go back and then open the first one, download slides as zip, as you can see, there's 4 rows here, and then it's like 400, 380, 340, and 310. All right, and then if we go back here, that's what it is, right? So these are the data here that's split there. And then the next one is download images for slides. There's 2 rows, which is this one, and the download images for slides, that's the other one. All right, so it's the same thing. So the other thing is we use formula here. So if you can actually look at here, and then let's do show formula, view formula bar. So here you can see the formula that it was created on. All right, so that's the formula for this one. Formula for this one is different. All right, so that's the formula. Let's try if it's the actual data this time. All right, let's delete all of this. All right, so let's see. Let's resize this a little bit. All right, use actual data and then process. So now that's done. We go back and we look at this. This is the actual data now. There's no more formula there. All right, and same thing for all of this stuff. All right, so the next output sample that we want to do is probably into a new spreadsheet. So let's give that a try. All right, let's delete. Actually, we don't need to delete those. Let's just run this. Actual data, new spreadsheet, process. All right, it's done. So split and merge output. So that's the file name, and then you can see here, here's the data, here's the other data, etc. So those are in, the output is in one spreadsheet. So if you want to do multiple spreadsheets, you can too. Let's try that. Each set in new spreadsheet, process. So now that's done. All the spreadsheets are named according to the source. All right, so this one is download slides as zip. Let's open that up. So yeah, so there's only one tab in there, and then that's it. Yeah, it's the same thing for this one. split into its own file. All right. Yeah, so that's it. Let me close those. And let's do a different test now. Let's do, okay, delete that. Okay, let's try source, and then, no, not source, but row count. Let's say we want to split this up by trees. All right, let's do that. And then we want to do it in the current spreadsheet. All right. All right, that's done. So you can see there's 5 sets and 3 each of them. All right. So that's let me see here. One more test by column letter. So let's say we want to do source is letter A. We can definitely do this one, the customer name. It's unique, so it's going to create about 15 tabs. All right. So let's delete this. Actually, let me do this, delete that. Let's add a category here. Let's say a category, and then let's say we give this A, and then B, and then B, and then C, and then X. All right, so let's do that. Let's reset this row count and then do a letter. So now that's letter D. And then current spreadsheet. All right, let's try that. So A, B, C, and X. And then now that's done. So as you can see, those are the data. All right, so that's pretty much it. That's a short demo of Split for Google Sheets. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like or subscribe to our channel, so you'll see, the other videos that will help you optimize your Google Workspace automations and work. All right. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye now.